Ebushama mema akwaba emfa umbra Ghana Nsem TV GH mestra or sell like a comment subscribe then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some make be made say. Ebusham for ma meka asem we kirem. So we Ghana ni na wo investor community ni ma. Afia eba na 2027 no. Prepare for one of the most where Ben Ame use or police in Bechimi. Yeah, ebano, just know say nyamanko ewo investor sector nimo. Now look, we crowd here enya investors no go. Every citizen maybe or treasury bill or something. Ato Forson na catch you say. Ato Forson na your finance minister. Or catch mene will say next year 2027. Enya we move. Already report be by say 2025 financial is it mismanagement and I say financial irregularities SC or man women e being see that already this a report about oh there's a report like that. Yes, say financial irregularities SC last year na nye easy or man women now I told Forson catch the Ghana for say or no our debt be so Ato Forson say our debt be and you see 2027 would present even greater debt servicing challenges, with the government expected to repay about 54 billion, including 39 billion in February alone. Does it sound a message to you? Say our government sector mo ana mo ye demonstration say haircut the moon change na haircut eba beba no ebru de Akufo-Addo time no eba ye as simple as that. We call school say we will be use school be employ wa we forget it because aban no catch it say omo pescare the debt na senko for mo bana. Even salary on bet you akra no mko jiska mko busua na mko ji at NDC form economic management no Mr. Biso mushianu wo hifa Ato Forson na say Ato is forcing no enunye oh say we there me NDC frankasa no na me feel say and Kebeya, they should have brought back was it is it Kwabena Dufour? Under Kwabena Dufour, we had a single digit inflation. Under Press Mills. Yeah, Ato Forson. And when I'm saying on the way flag bearer mamono, NDC, and I'm Ato Forson bre. And team Ato Forson. Say with this kind of economic management until I must Ato Forson be mu flag bearer and me support Ato Forson.
Abusia mo finance minister Ato Forson or kem kai adwuma na fro no do na protect hunu so me say 2027 Ghana for bra mo ba be bra nya asem ketwa 2027 amubehu say NDC aban ni Ato Forson almost useless they be ba Ghana da. These people, they are so useless and incompetent. Me say 2027 ehɔ na mubehu apɔnkyerɛ ne tenten apɔnkyerɛ ne ba be wu mama hu ne tenten and then mo finance minister say 2027 oba betua interest on loan 54 billion Ghana cedis in tibom ana work na you see azem we hwe me ba be ma some factor ehu behiam going forward. Now if it's propaganda and trend this phone about sikasem ni ade ya correct many of them in TT some na mebe kan here very important. Now fact edi kind emu obi nada was saying this if we omo ba be mo mo besia da besia omo abo no Akufo-Addo 8 years kra wentimi ambo besia sa. In 2025 alone, NDC on the domestic market ebo besia in excess of 230 billion Ghana cedis. 230 billion Ghana cedis in 1 year. That unprecedented. Now, first 4 months of 2026, according to Bank of Ghana records, Besia NDC Foyabo on the domestic market, 120 billion Ghana cedis. Enti wo kamienu ni boma in 1 year 4 months. NDC for ya bobesia in excess of 350 billion Ghana cedis. Memfa June nka ho, memfa May nka ho. There be just 1 year 4 months. Besi o mabono in excess of 350 billion Ghana cedis. A so same besi Akufo-Addo. A boy in the entire 8 years. That is crazy. But what do they have to show for? Blog Chrome fair BNC form. But in Crawford we are bossa abisian. Now, fact tosumiunu. Ato Forson lament say next year. Or Barbitria interest on loan a 54 billion Ghana cedis niti boom. What was I say? Everybody saying, and as I didn't know in 2025, Ato Forson soon loan interest on loan. In 2026, and so when soon interest on loan. Not 2027, and also interest on loan. Me ba breakdown and what you see ni money yeah possible. Domestic debt exchange program. Any MPP and among ye 2 year ye external creditors abrofo ane akobo besia e wo mo. Ye nu omu ye negotiation e restructure ye debt. Eno na aboa ama in 2025 2026 one to say Ato Forson soon interest on loan ho because that program na ye no eboa yen e ma yetimi renegotiate ye debt e ma interest no yeti bi so and ye extend the maturity of your loans ni bebre e ma some of the loan besi ane ye dekora no omo de chain. In fact, at the end of the negotiation, MPP are buying any creditors, both local and foreign. No. Boam Ghana, MI, a busy 5 billion US dollars. What the bag Ghana came at the time? Nay, in excess of 70 billion Ghana cedis. Omo de chain. 70 billion Ghana cedis. A kaya defeating Atamio's pencil, a biwa, ya born Atamio's pencil, biwa ya bo, Mahama pencil, the first time. Sasi kani nyomo de chain 70 billion. What they are not on China because interest near renegotiate my interest in a bar from no. A boy may say be 4.5 billion US dollars. At the time, all the bag Ghana came out, we're talking about 60 billion Ghana cedis. Into what come you no man? Domestic debt exchange program na any negotiations are any external creditors. Sika bua Ghana, save in excess of 130 billion Ghana cedis. And only in as say a NDC for bottom. But Sikane win. Meanwhile, as a domestic debt exchange program, here and NDC for the year propaganda here MPP did ya them can sema and sem fata. Emma Ghana for be crying as so to abatia. But a year no as a program kroya. Anna one to say Ato Forson in 2025 or ana osu eye besia ho. And I say 2026, soon say or kwakutia interest on loan. That program ne boy Ghana ye suspended ye in payment of loan. Besi ani ye de. Ya boy fra tamio spend so bepem that time no. 2025 ye ntia any interest, ye ntia any principal. 2026 so ye ntia any interest, ye ntia any principal. And no na boa ama NDC for yi. Woman want to saw more cabisiani interest in one. But in 2027, ye baby tria ye beshas ye tria interest on loan as ye tria some of the principal. And no na to forcing aye ne kwadada. And you see these guys, they are so incompetent. They are so useless. You have 2 whole years. When you fiscal space, untria interest on loan, untria principal. And common sense say, as I said, what is to honum? Say 2027 ni duru a wo de be finance interest on loans and principal say be fully due. But in Crawford way, say they are so dumb, they are so ignorant, they are so incompetent, they are so useless. They didn't prepare. And I say no mu this canidi. And you see, it's very shocking. Say NDC are being on spending. Ato Forson, we've heard several ministers lamenting say Ato Forson enjoy sikem. On the other hand, NDC are being bobesian over 350 billion Ghana cedis in 1 year 4 months. But yes, still, Ato Forson lament to say sika ni honum. And si yebusa say sika no afa hin. Sika no wa hin fa Ato Forson 54 billion Ghana cedis obetua ne next year. Also hu a chese aya ne kwadanda chese odwen hu a want asem. And you see, on my Ghana economy no enye se bi body abrewajo. You need people yes smart. NDC for mobile no. Na adwuma den no adwuma no ne den ankasa no MPP aban aye ne deda. The global economic crisis a bo wiase nyina e de ahokyere ba wiase nyina even US economy na struggle UK economy na struggle e bi ka Ghana no ɛho adwuma sɛ economy ni be recover ne adwuma kɛseɛ ne nyina MPP aban yɛ nti NDC for no ba no na bibia yɛ mremremre bibia yɛ mremremre bosi a yɛ de ɛka yɛ de yentua interest yentua principal the hard fiscal space ɔmo betu gold over 30 tons a gold purchase program and also honum abebo azia sika ba so akoye say milk ne honey na e flow asase ni mu na no mo enjoy. But reality no is dawning on them because some of the benefits are from the program, the comprehensive economic program MPP implements here. No, some of them no, they are falling due. Until you have to think outside the box and bring new policies, new programs are a bit me ama gains na ya achieve no akototin. And no na these people they are bereft of such ideas. Until omo lamente. Me say dollar na dollar na no mo de bom ho safo hene ne ye be sha ase atwa interest on loan. Ye be sha ase atwa principal. Mu behu dollar ne tenten ankasa any cedi ne tenten. Aha, nti mu de munya abotre. Inflation na omo de bom ho asafo hene say ana inflation ya single digit eni nti na ya spend it anye drainage systems ne ade ama flooding ho nsem amba for mama nkrofo afemahu aha inflation na omo de bom ho asafo hene no next year ye sha ase ye tua interest on loan ye sha ase say ye tua principal ho na mu behu inflation. Hey, me see obi if you ever thought say NDC had sensible people are umunim de ombetimi manage your economy na just say dam also Jimmy for the bimbada.